I'm Maren, and we will be going to a super fun flying video, just like Ryan. And I will be filming something really cool. This will be really short, and you can come along with me, and you can do whatever you want, but just follow along with me if you want to do it. So, first off, we're going to take some slime and just crunch it up, hand to hand. Then it will make a super cool avocado. And then you will just keep going and going until it just looks like that. Then you just put it in the bowl. If you have a bowl with some other slime, and then you just hold on. Okay, we're good. Now you will just mix it up with your hands. Then you will take the whole block. Then you just dump it into the plate and just spread it. And then you'll take the whole thing, dump it. Next, you'll take this. Then you'll just do that and keep going until there's no more room. If you have a short thing, that's fine. Like short slime, anything. Then it should look like that. You don't have to go, but if you want to follow along, you're gonna have to listen to my rules. And then just keep going and going until you get everything good. Then you'll take this and dump it into each cup. You dump it. There's a mistake. Okay, probably let's not dump it. Probably just do that and keep going until it's full. Okay, that's all. Now you get another cup and do the same as that. Keep filling it and full and get full. Now you take each cup and you get the plate. And then you just pour one on each side. It's okay if it connects because we want it to connect. But not now. Then put it in like that. And you just keep going and let it touch your hand and see if it will get around the other side. Okay? Now you just keep going. If it takes too long, just do that. Now you can just take your hand out. Then just very close. Getting close to there. And it just touched it. Now you keep going as fast as you can. Each cup. Then as usual, you do it right here and do it on the other side. And then if there's still some, if you still see some more, you just keep going and going. If it gets there, that's fine. Now that will spread, and that we will just handle that. And for the bowl one, because you still have some slime in there, right? And then you will get the cup and pour it in there. Just get it in there. And then you get the whole thing. Pour it in. Pour it. Then you just squeeze and squeeze and do it again like the very end of the part. And then you just put it on the plate, and then do it again. Put it, do it again. And then after this one, you will be done. Enjoy! Bye!